Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2014 218D M Sport 2-door coupe. As you can see, the vehicle is presented in the Estrel Blue, comes with a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit. So at the front of the car you can see the gloss black front splitter and the satin kidney grills. Down the side we've had the 18-inch M Sport alloys professionally refurbished in gloss black. It does also come with the satin side vinyls and the YNC Mperformance decals, as well as the privacy glass on the rear windows. Inside the car we have got the option black Dakota leather in the vehicle, and it does come with the electric lumbar option, as you can see there. And we've got a 6-speed manual inside this vehicle, which makes for a very nice driving experience. Rear passengers, as you can see, get a 2x2 seat arrangement with a central storage tray, and that is all ISOFIX ready. Round towards the back of the car now, as you can see, again those alloys really do stand out very well set against that Estrel Blue. And we've also opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler, and it does come with a high gloss black rear diffuser, as you can see there. If you've not yet seen the boot space for a 2 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, because not only do they offer very nice driving style, it will also give you a huge amount of space thanks to that big boot, making it a very practical and fun vehicle to drive. Round at the other side of the car now, again everything's clean and tidy as you would expect, and again everything working well with that exterior colour. I'll now quickly take a seat inside, run you through a couple of the interior features, beginning with the BMW business media unit this vehicle comes with, and we'll also start the car up and go through a couple of the other features. So the little beeping noise you may have just heard there, this vehicle has got aftermarket front parking sensors, so of course that's always nice. It does come with front and rear parking sensors, as you'll see there. Backing away from that, it comes with Bluetooth telephone, and we'll go through a couple of the standard features. So as you can see, in terms of radio wise, there is DAB on this car. For your multimedia, there is the CD drive, as well as external devices for USB and AUX inputs. It's covered just over 73,000 miles. Comes with the speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So there is a look around at this very nice Estrel Blue 218D M Sport. Hopefully you've enjoyed the walk around and been able to find it useful. If you would of course like some more information on the vehicle, simply follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. From there, that will take you through to the website. You can of course view all of the prices and funding options that are available. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you all very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.